Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss for all the manufacturing enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into the world of capital budgeting and providing a beginner's roadmap specifically tailored for the manufacturing industry. Before we jump into the details, let's quickly define what capital budgeting is. In simple terms, it's the process of planning and analyzing investments in long-term assets to maximize profitability and ensure the efficient use of financial resources. For manufacturers, this involves making decisions about acquiring new machinery, expanding facilities, implementing new technologies, and more. The first step in the capital budgeting process is to identify potential investment opportunities. This could include upgrading existing equipment, adding a new production line, or even considering a complete facility overhaul. The key here is to align your investment decisions with your long-term strategic goals. Once you've identified your potential investments, it's time to gather the necessary information to evaluate them. This involves estimating the initial investment cost, expected cash flows over the asset's lifespan, and the appropriate discount rate to calculate the net present value, NPV, or the internal rate of return, IRR. Evaluating investments can be complex, but there are several techniques commonly used in capital budgeting. One of the most popular methods is the payback period, which calculates how long it takes for the initial investment to be recovered. Another widely used method is the net present value, NPV, which considers the time value of money and provides a measure of the investment's profitability. Now that you've evaluated your investment options, it's time to make a decision. Remember, it's not just about the financial aspect. Consider the strategic alignment, risk factors, and potential impact on your operations. It's important to involve key stakeholders and subject matter experts to ensure a comprehensive decision-making process. After you've made your decision, it's time to implement the investment. This involves detailed planning, procurement of the necessary resources, and coordination with various departments. Keep in mind that proper project management is crucial to ensure a smooth transition and successful implementation. Finally, it's essential to continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of your investment. Regularly review the actual cash flows, compare them with your initial projections, and adjust your strategies if needed. This step will help you learn from your investment decisions and make better choices in the future. And there you have it, a beginner's roadmap for capital budgeting in the manufacturing industry. Remember, capital budgeting is a dynamic process, and it requires careful analysis, collaboration, and ongoing evaluation to ensure optimal outcomes. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any specific questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.